Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce your image size. For example, I have an image passport size. I click on right click on it and then click on properties. First, I will show you the size of this image is 34.3 KB, and I want to reduce its size because when I apply online, the image size will be 30 KB or less than 30 KB. Open your Google Chrome, simply write compress image size. Okay, enter. Here is a many website where you can compress image by using this. Simply I click on a first. Okay, then scroll down and click on upload your file. Then select your image that is on a desktop. Aziz, open, and please wait for it. Okay, the image size, compressed image. Okay, 34 KB to 23 KB. Okay, it reduce. I click on a download. Here download. I will click on a show in a folder. Here is the image today. Right click on it and again click on a properties. The image size 23.1 KB. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribe. Allah Hafiz.